Nanababa Kabalen, welcome to Pampanga.
Yes, for today's vlog, and nandito tayo sa the 4th Street, BGC to check out itong Japanese restaurant called Matsuya.
Guys, all the way from San Fernando, Pampanga, binisita po natin ang BGC. If you wanna know more about this Japanese restaurant, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
Alright, so again guys, thank you so much for being with us in this video.
Yes.
Thank you so much Matsuya for inviting us. Grabe, all the way from Pampanga, dinayo po natin ang BGC para dito sa Japanese restaurant na to.
Yes, actually, I'm excited to taste them. Lalo-lalo nakakatakam yung mga nakakapag sa atin. So, on our table, so meron tayo dito yung kanilang mga noodles, which is meron tayong Matsuya Tantanmen, and yung kanilang beef seafood jampong.
Wow,
Yes.
I like it.
Meron tayo syempre yung mga bento, which is good for lunch, sabi nga nila.
Yes.
Meron tayong crab claw, and bibimbap, and yung kanilang volcano roll.
Volcano roll.
Yes.
Grabe. So ayan guys, Matsuya actually means a tree house.
Treehouse.
Ayan. Great concept. Ang ganda ng interior. I like it.
Napaka-simple, at the same time,
Yes.
feel na feel mo na sa Japan ka nga. Pero ang kagandahan naman dito, so meron pa silang Korean, and syempre yung Japanese.
O ikaw bro, anong uumpisa
Ako syempre, umpisa natin dito sa may beef seafood jampong.
So tara, kain na tayo guys.
Yes.
Thank you so much Matsuya and Audrey Koreans pa. Sulit.
Wow. Napakasarap naman dito.
Volcano roll. Super accommodating to us. All the way from Pampanga, guys. In-invite niya kami to go to BGC. Thank you so much, Ma'am Sandra. Thank you so much for inviting us, Ma'am Sandra.
Hello
So
po.
can you please invite them, Ma'am Obi?
Naimbitahan ko po kayo pumunta dito sa Matsuya BGC, the 4th po. Kabilang po kami ng Tang. And also, open po kami 9 a.m. until 3 a.m. po, Lunes to Sabado. Then, paglinggo po is alas 2.
Alright.
So, try our jampong also po, and also
Jampong,
some
very good.
Korean dishes and also Japanese dishes.
Thanks so
Thank
much.
you po.
See you here. So guys, this is the 4th Street. Ayon. So dun sa harapan niya, meron tayong building. Katabi nun, it's Tang. And then Matsuya. So you go there. That's a Japanese restaurant. Super. You're gonna enjoy it for sure.